Let's learn about Chaf and Chaf.
Hi, guys. What you doing inside on a fun day like today?
We're a little sick, so...
We can't go out to play.
Wow, that's pretty lousy.
Sure is.
Yup.
Well, Chaf, that's tough stuff. But I'm wondering, why is it that you both have the same cold, but you're making different noises?
Oh, that's simple. See, I think cough drops help my cough. Please give me another cough drop. I've swallowed the cough drop. See it here in my belly? It's really cleared my throat, so I've only got a cough now.
And I really don't like the taste of cough drops. So I'd rather clear my throat.
Got it. So what you're saying is, you've got a cough, and he's got a cough.
Right.
I'm sorry for joking around, guys. I realize this isn't much fun for you. Let me think for a minute. Hey guys, you can't go out and play, but there's no reason why we can't have fun inside, is there?
I guess not.
Not really.
Okay, great. Hey guys, should we go inside and join them for hot chocolate?
Of course.
Why not? Sure.
Let's sing. Tap Chaf to start.
Shalom, shalom, Chaf. How are you today? Please, can you tell me, what do you say?
I say Chaf, that's what I say.
For Chaf to say Chaf is the right way. For Chaf to say Chaf is the right way.
Now let's sing to Chaf. Please tap Chaf to start.
Shalom, shalom, Chaf. How are you today? Please, can you tell me, what do you say?
I say Chaf. That's what I say.
For Chaf to say Ka is the right way. For Chaf to say Ka is the right